I have problems. Can we talk about my problems? This is therapy, right? So, I'm in a relationship with this plant, okay? Now, some people might think I have a plant addiction, but there's this one plant. It's so dysfunctional, our relationship. I'm gonna tell you his name, and you might know him because he's pretty famous. And he's quite a player. He is a dumb cane. He is really dumb. No, I'm not kidding. That's actually his name. Dumb cane. Dumb cane. But boy, is he gorgeous. I mean, he is so good looking and just has these white variegations, and he is just so beautiful and everyone loves him. And I get very jealous because a lot of people think he's easy, but I'm having a difficult time getting him to like me and getting his attention. And he just won't commit, and he makes me jealous and insecure about how I feel about myself and taking care of plants. And I'm gonna show you what he did to me, okay? Follow me. Hello, this is him. This is my dumb cane. Now you see these tiny little leaves? They're okay. They're kind of brown, right? Everyone grows a dumb cane. This is maybe my fifth one, okay? This is confession therapy time. And when I buy them, they come home with these big leaves. And I mean big, like yo big, okay? And within a week, one leaf drops off. Within another, 2 leaves drop off. So this plant had a whole bunch of big, beautiful leaves, and as one dropped, another grew. So I put it closer to the sun, further from the sun, give it more water, give it less water. No matter what I do, he just keeps losing leaves and grows back these tiny ones. I repot him, same story. So I gotta tell you a secret. I did something, and I cheated on him, and who could blame me, okay? So what I did was I cut a piece of him off when he wasn't looking. And I grew that piece of him in water to propagate him, to see. Look at those juicy roots that grew, okay? I probably should let them get a little longer, but he hasn't been very good to me, so I'm not gonna be very good to him, all right? Now, I'm going to plant him right in the soil with himself and see if he finally cooperates and loves me back. Okay, so I'm just gonna dig my fingers in the soil and make a whole separate plant. And you could see where I cut him off right there. I was like, all right, you don't wanna grow? Fine. So, this is like my 5th dumb cane. Diffenbachia, they're called, okay? So he's like my 5th one, and I'm gonna see if I can make him finally cooperate and love me back by propagating him. So I let him grow some nice roots, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Everyone thinks this plant is so easy, but I just cannot grow him. He doesn't love me, they always die. I treat him so good, and he just... So, we put him in the soil, and we'll check back on him in a future video and see if I have got him to love me back instead of rejecting me, and hopefully his leaves will get big. Okay, so that's my video for today. Thanks everyone. Hope you have a good day. Bye, I'm Laura. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hey, there's one last thing about the dumb cane. He is toxic to pets. He is poisonous. He is like a bad stepfather, okay? I'm not kidding. The dumb cane is poisonous. So if you have pets, if they're inclined to eat your plants, keep them away from your furry friends because they are poisonous, even though they're beautiful and we love them. They are poisonous to people too. So that's all I wanted to say. Bye.